The first GSI survey of the Siachen. In June, 1958, the first Geological Survey of India, GSI, of the Siachen took place by an Indian geologist, V.K. Raina. What's in news? The first Geological Survey of India, GSI, of the Siachen Glacier took place in June 1958, led by V.K. Raina, an Indian geologist. This survey is of historical and geostrategic significance as it disapproves the notion that Pakistan had control over the glacier since its inception. Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is the glacier located in the eastern Karakoram range it is just northeast of the point NJ 9842 where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. It is the longest glacier in Karakoram. It is the second longest glacier in the world's non-polar areas. It falls from an altitude of 5,753 meters above sea level at its head by Indira, on the India-China border. Unique features of Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier is the longest glacier in the Karakoram range, which is 78 kilometers long. World's non-polar areas. Since 1948, Siachen has been a major point of contention between. It is the second longest glacier in the India and Pakistan. The Indian Army initiated Operation Meghadut to gain control over the Nubra River flows into the Shyok River which eventually joins there. In Siachen Glacier, the melting waters of the glacier are the primary source of the Nubra River in the Indian region of Ladakh, Indus River in Pakistan. Since India has constructed the world's highest helipad, known as Point Sonam, at an elevation of 21,000 feet, 6,400 meters, to support its troops on the glacier.